In this demo, we will learn how to create a model and how to manage the model versions and how to share the model. In this demo, we will create form processing model. Form processing model will learn from your document, such as invoices, to extract texts or even tables from them and then use this data in what you want. To create form processing model, you must have at least 5 examples that use the same layout. You can use images or you can use PDFs of your documents. To create AI model from the Make site, in the AI Builder section, in the Build feature, this is the list of the custom models and pre-built model. In this demo, we will create form processing model. The first step is to enter a name for your model. It will show you what you have to do. For example, you have at least 5 documents with the same layout. Then create. Then the next step is choose information to extract. You can follow these instructions. List all pieces of information that you want the AI model to extract. I will use this form processing model to extract information from invoices. This is the document that I will use. It is for invoice document, contain fields and table. I will extract the fields, invoice number and the due date and total, and we will extract the information from this table. Back to our model. So first I will list the fields that I will extract. Invoice number. This is the fields that I want the model to extract information from the document. And then I want to extract the information for this table, the item and the amount. In the tables section, new table, sample items. Okay. Amount. This is the information I want to extract from the table. Then the next step, add collections of documents. Click here to upload the documents. Add documents. You can use from SharePoint, Azure Blob Storage or upload from local storage. I will upload them from my device. You must have at least 5 documents, images or PDFs. Select your documents. Upload 5 documents. It uploading them. Close. Then the next step, tag the documents, analyze. It will take few minutes. In this step, we will teach our model how to extract the information from the fields and the tables from our document. By tagging this information from the document, this is the collection, invoice number, choose invoice number, due date, total. If you have more than a collection and all the documents not have the same fields, for example, if the document didn't have this item, define them as unavailable in document. I tagged the fields, then I will tag the fields in the table. Tag table. This is the items. This is the amount. And this is the item name. And you will do this for all tables that you created. Tag all the documents after you tagged one document. And if you have more than collection, finish the collections data, fields and tables, and then click next. Now this is the summary of your model. If this summary is acceptable for you, click train to train your model. The training complete. If I browse the Make site to see the model, in the models section you will find the model that we just created. I have only one. This is the first step in our demo to create a model. I will publish the model. You can select the model, and from the details, publish. I published the model. I will make quick test for the model. As you see, it detected the fields. To edit the model, from the detail, choose your model, and from the detail, edit the model. To see it from the first, here, and edit model, and do your customization to the model. For example, I will enter a new field, balance, next, choose to tag the fields. For the balance, I will choose this. After finishing tagging the fields and tables, choose the other documents. Okay. And then click next. Train your model. Okay. As you see now, I have two versions, the published version and the last trained version. And if I edit the model, you can start from the published version or start from the last trained version. For example, I will do some customization. If you want to save this version as draft, click Save and Close. Back to the model. You can edit this draft. You can edit your saved draft in the time you want. So now we have three versions for the model: the published version, and the last trained version, and the draft version. If you want to delete AI model from the models section, you can select the model that you want to delete. You can press the delete icon, or from the delete. Yes, delete. It will deleting the model from your environment.